Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. For today's video, we are reviewing this ice maker. Alright everyone, this is what it looks like. Now, it says you want to leave it upright for at least 2 hours to let the fluid settle. You have your on and off, powerful ice, add water if you need to. We go ahead and lift this up. Make sure you take off all the tape that you see all around it. This is the basket, so we'll take this tape off. And on the other side. Okay, this is the basket where the ice is going to fall into. This is your scoop. There's your max line. Do not fill it past that line. So you fill this with water, but not past the max. Let's see what else they give us. Oh, do they give us ice cube bags? That is really cool. Nice. Okay, it looks like inside there's going to be tape right in here. So make sure you peel that off. It's a little tough. If we can get this corner up. But anyway, you see that piece of tape in there? Pull that off. It comes with a nice carrying handle. You just simply pop it in the sides and you're good to go. I would say it's about medium weight. It's not overly heavy. Cooling fan. You can see the radiator inside as well. On the back here, just your standard. Underneath here, this is your drain plug. You would twist this off and then water will drain out of here. So don't twist that off unless you're ready to drain it, because water will instantly come running out. And that's just how you drain the old water inside. Let's go ahead and start testing it out. Okay, once you go ahead and turn it on, you can hear the refrigerator running. Again, don't fill it past the max line. We're going to go ahead and place this basket back in. Now, I recommend running it a couple times, getting a couple cycles of ice through, and then dumping it, throwing them away, basically putting them down the drain. And here's why. Because from manufacturer, you know, it's made in a warehouse. Like all appliances, if you go ahead and use it right away, it might taste a little funny. The ice might be a little bit funky or chemical tasting because it's a new component. So I recommend running the ice through, and getting it cleaned out. That way, your ice cubes taste great, and there's no problems. Okay, what I love about this ice maker is it's very small and compact, so it doesn't take up much room. And my friends, this is probably the fastest ice maker I've ever reviewed. I want to say in like the first 5 minutes from plugging it in, it made these ice cubes. I mean, this is impressive. That was very fast. Very, very fast. This is definitely going to be our go-to ice maker for now on. And I love the size. So these are what the ice cubes will look like. Now, as you guys can see, I'm touching the ice cubes. I wouldn't be doing this with my hand. But this is our first batch run, so we're just cleaning out the system. So we're not actually going to be eating this ice or using it for any drinks or anything like that. Just to show you guys. Very, very nice. This one is definitely in the top 3 I've ever reviewed. That's right. This ice maker makes it into the top 3 because of its portability, being lightweight or lighter weight, smaller, fast cooling. Love it.